We have just finished shoveling the driveway. We've had, I don't know, 4 storms. Wait, let's look at my pocket. What do I have in my pocket? Snow. I've been sledding with the kids on the side as we shovel the driveway. And I'm walking over. We had to dig a path out over here. And let's see where we're going here. They have made a hill near the propane tanks. I want you to see this. Here's our table we eat at in the summer. See how high the snow is compared to the table. It's pretty high. And we're going around the corner. Alright, I am in the backyard. And as you can see, the propane tanks are there. And perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, now Harrison's going to go next. Oh, he's hit with a pile of snow in the face as we go. Uh-oh, it's going to be an all-out wrestling match. The other guy has a shovel.
We got him pinned.
Oh, the plow. The plow has broken our mailbox. I should go introduce myself since he's broken it 3 times. Last 3 storms. And back. Quite a windy storm. I think it's supposed to be 50-mile-an-hour winds. It is freezing out here. My hands. The doorway by the pool, as you can see. The pool area is you can see, you guys, how high that hill is.